What's up everybody, Black Dragonrider here. How you guys doing? Hope you guys are doing alright. Just heading out to go to Primark, known as Chavmark. That's me and my friend always call it, Chavmark. I need to get some stuff from there and then go to agency because I had enough of these freaking agencies. I've really had enough. It's doing my man tits in. There's one agency that's in town that I can actually just go in, and I've been phoning up so many times about this damn fucking job. So it's really peeing me off. I've been waiting for so fucking long, and it's just annoying now. It's like a joke. It's like I want to work and they're not getting back to me. What's kind of funny is when people don't want to work, they try to get people to oh, it does my head in. And it's like you have to keep on pestering them. It's like, oh yeah, we'll call you back, we'll call you back, you call you back. No, you're not fucking ain't. Give me a freaking job. Do I have to hold people hostage just to get a job? Well, this is not really good. Not really good. And this is the reason why it's always best to get a job. Because if you accidentally overspend something, at least that every week when you get paid, you got nothing to worry about. And when you get paid monthly, you kind of like go. Yeah, so I'm actually heading to Primark because of I guess get some few stuff and then head to the agency because I need a job. If I have to go into the office, how many times I went into the office? Oh yes, 6 fucking times I have to go to the fucking office. Jesus, it's like freaking asking your parents for a PlayStation 1 back in the freaking 1998. They're just, agencies just take the piss. They really do. You really want a job, and give me a fucking job. I've been freaking phoning up, applying online, going into agency, pestering you. Do I have to like carry a freaking BB gun around with me and threaten agency that I say, if you do not give me a job, I will blast you or hold them up hostage? I think that's what I have to do. I can actually see it on the news now. Black Dragonrider, hostage of agency, or something like that. It's getting freaking ridiculous. I want to be a working man. I want to be a working man. I want to be a working man. Because I really need some money in my pocket. I mean, bloody hell, is it really that hard to just let me know? Because I want to work, god damn it. Life will be so much easier if I work. If I could like make myself a business, I'd be glad. Don't mind building gaming PC for a living. Building myself a gaming PC. Building a gaming system for people. Maybe not just gaming PC. I could just like build a computer for some people. I wouldn't have to struggle. I'd be making some decent money. Oh, money. Bloody hell. I wish. Why does it have to be money? Why we can't ever just trade? Oh, something to make life easy. Oh my gosh, these pads in my boots is freaking awesome. At least that my feet is not. It's not aching. This is the worst thing about when you're not working. When you like really need something that's important, And the problem is that you can't get it. You just think to yourself, how am I supposed to get this? I have to wait till next time I get some money. It's taking ages. But when you're working and get paid weekly, you're just like, oh, I'll wait till next week when I get paid. Yes, I'm actually heading to the agency. Oh my gosh. The Bernard turned around and said, oh, we will call you back. Come on, I said, but that's what you guys said the last time. I have to make it sound like I'm really desperate. I've got to sound desperate. Yeah, I need to know now and blah blah blah, because I need to make some money and blah blah blah. I'll have to try to sound desperate if I can. And if it works, then that's great. And if it doesn't, I want to scream in this helmet. Scream so loud. I want you guys to hear it. Actually, no. Screaming so loud from the top of my lungs. I've been on the email. I've been on email, phone calls, going into the freaking agency. It's doing my freaking nutting. Because I'd be really pissed off if they say, oh yeah, we've got someone there. But they're not. I'm going to be like, that's not fair. I'm just going to be like, that's not fair. Every time I see that job come up, I just applied for it. I've been writing notes to the agency because I've got this system thing where to let them know that I'm interested in this job. I think I've been waiting 2 or 3 weeks or something like that, patiently, and I just had enough now. I really had enough. I want this job. I want to start work and earn some money. I want to be a working man once again. They said it's ongoing job, and that is the job that I need, an ongoing job to earn some money to upgrade my license, try to get myself a full motorbike license. I don't have to worry about eating 1 meal a day. Yes, you guys heard me, 1 meal a day. I have 1 meal a day, and it sucks. And they better be open. If they know I was coming, they're gonna be like, oh, Black Dragonrider's coming, let's close early. Don't give him this job. Talk to you guys in a bit. I think I was riding my bike. Is that? Oh, you gotta be joking. Oh, you gotta be fucking kidding me. Fuck's sake. Yeah, man, I just can't believe it now that I have to phone up the agency again. I bet they knew I was coming. I bet they knew I was coming. I'll go tomorrow. I don't give a fuck. I will go tomorrow. I'll go tomorrow. And I'm taking you guys with me. I have I've got two choices. Is one, phone up again, or go in. I'm gonna do both. I really do have enough. Anyway, I'm gonna go to my friend's house, hang around with him, and then go home. I'm just freaking sick of tired of it. Oh, me just want to work, man. Is it really that freaking hard to just? Well, I'm heading back to town now. I'm going to a different agency. The agency that was applying for a job is currently not available, and I'm very pissed off. Really pissed off. I've been trying to get this job for ages, and then all suddenly, oh sorry, the job's not available. even it's on your website. Now there's another agency where the job is, there is another job, but the other agency is also advertising for the job. So I'm heading there now. So let's see if this agency has the job. Right, been to the agency, and I can happy to say that obviously I registered, so hopefully this job does call, because I'm really sick of the other agency that does my freaking head in. I'll even go back to that other agency to say, listen, is that job available? Because I really need the money, because since my insurance company just screwed me over, I have to try and some money in my pocket, and it's really not fair. And also got some other stuff that needs paying. It's also doing my head in that I'm gonna be in debt. So this is not going to be a good time unless I get money in my pocket so I can just start. And we will see. This is really doing my head in. Not a lot of jobs in Doncaster, and really annoying that when you're really desperate for a job, not really easy. Well, anyway guys, I'm going to end this video right here, guys. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this video may be an interest to you of me bitching about agency. Hope you guys like the video, and I'll speak to you guys next time. Bye bye.
You've been acting like a stranger, said you see me later, but you never call back. I've been getting faded, running out of patience, but I know it's alright. I'll just keep on waiting till you come ride with me, girl. You can